Got no road.
Evacuation.
If you want to step off on this side, please bring a minute. I will be standing on this side by the carts. When they come out, they can just step back against the wall and let them through. We appreciate it. You come on up.
Oh, forward?
Here. Not a problem. Okay, if we'll just gather around these pieces of equipment. What you have here is the original Peloton bicycle.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that wonderful?
That looks like a Stingray banana seat.
You got it. That's exactly what it is. 1960s model. Okay. The envy of either side, we'll let these folks through. Either side will do. What you have here is 2 3/4 ton carts. And each one of these carts, come on through, folks. How y'all doing today? You didn't lose anybody yet? Oh, that's a change. Well, your standard will lose 2%.
Anything more?
It's because we're not a productive mine.
Right.
But we're very careful that we do abide in the rules of OSHA and MSHA to the surface. So in order for the 3 levels above us to get their ore out of the mine, they drop it down to us. They gravity feed it to us right through here, to that 300 foot in their work site. So he's walking 5 to 10 miles a day. So they went to the company and said, we need some, and those indicators in this case, if you look here, you find green. You're finding 2 types of green here. Right through here, you're finding malachite. Up here, you're finding where it's slick, that is calcite. Both of those are green because the reason it's called Bisbee ice, and the reason it's green in the formative stage, that calcite. These 3 machines are all referred to as drifters. These 2 are the oldest, and it goes without saying, they're also the heaviest. All 3 of them are called drifters. Now that one is called a stoper. That's the one the guy had, the raised miner had, that drills strictly straight up from feet deep. It's so fast, a lot more powerful. It's called a jack leg. The main thing with this jack leg, this controls the speed of your drill bit. This controls the air pressure going into this leg. The leg is called the jack leg. I'll show you what that means. What it looks like.
Got an match?
Yeah. What you have here is what we call a 25 hole. All of them have, except for this one, and that one was drilled in the wrong place, so they had to move it. But what you're looking at here is called a 5-hole burn. Only the one in the middle has the dynamite. And the reason being, if you load all these up with dynamite, you blow them at the same time, the pressure takes the path of least resistance, which means it's all going to come straight out here. And there's no damage going to be done. You're not going to crack your mountain. But by doing this, you create a path of least resistance, a weak zone, right through here. So all of these are going to go off about 1 second apart. Starting with the one in the middle, then it'll go to the inner circle, those will go, then your intermediate circle goes, then your outer circle goes. So when this one blows, it'll blow this entire section out. It'll actually spit it across the room. Then as these start to blow, they will cave in to the bottom. Now you have 60 to 80 tons of ore sitting in this mountain in about a 2-inch rock size. And it's sitting in there, real hard to deal with, until your 4 across the bottom. They're called lifters. When they go off, they will take all that tonnage and